When I was an apprentice motor mechanic growing up in England in the 1970s, I used to dream of owning one of these cars, a 1968 first generation Camaro. And eventually that dream came true. I owned a car in exactly this same color combination, the terrific Le Mans Blue with the white stripes. Well, this car is a Z28 RS car. Z28, a legendary package for first generation Camaros, and the RS, a number of styling cues around the car. My favorite are the headlamp covers, which are vacuum operated through manifold depression from the 302 engine under the hood. Well, the 302 engine, certainly not the biggest engine on offer from Chevy, but it is date perfect, numbers matching for this car. It should never be changed. One other styling cue that'll tell you it's a 68 car and not a 67 is the lack of vent windows or quarter light windows in the door glass. 68 and 69 cars, they didn't have that. One other styling cue towards the back, that cool little trunk spoiler. It just adds something that gives the car the perfect stance. For me, this car sums up everything that is sheer American brute horsepower.